My name's John and I've been riding for over 40 years. I had some friends that had motorcycles when I was younger, and basically to get a cheaper trip to work, I suppose, I started off on a little 175cc Kawasaki. I'm retired and I joined a local club. We go on rallies in different places, so yeah, there's no pressure to ride in bad weather or whenever I don't feel well, so it's mainly pleasure. Around Illawarra there's a lot of roads that go out to the Southern Highlands and south that are fantastic riding roads, so usually somebody plans a ride and we go maybe 2 or 3 hours out. It's probably 3 hours out would be a long ride. Have some lunch or something and come back. The Triumph Thunderbird and the BSA M20 1942 model, produced mainly for the war. They did have a KM20 that was a civilian bike before that. Then they brought out the WM20, which was distributed to most areas in the war effort. It's about 126,000 of them produced by Birmingham Small Arms. The reason I bought that particular bike is because my father rode one exactly the same as that during the Second World War. He was a dispatch rider in the Middle East, Syria, Jerusalem, all around those areas. He always said that if it wasn't for the BSA he wouldn't be here. He said you could drop it in the middle of the desert, whatever, pick it up and kick it over and away she'd go. And I found the exact same thing. It's just so reliable. Can sit for months and you'll kick it over the first, second, third kick, you know, and off it'll go. It's a very simple bike. It's a 500 single side valve, has girder forks, Hamel carby, magneto, adjustable front suspension with a knob in the middle of the handlebars. The only suspension for the rear is the seat, the sprung seat, but it goes over bumps very well. You hardly feel them. Has a 3-gallon tank. These days I try to use 91 octane and put some valve preserver into the fuel as well. When it was produced, probably the octane was probably quite a bit lower than that, but it seems to run okay on that. It's a little unusual because it has matching engine and frame numbers that also match the tank number. Most models that were sent overseas, when they were sent back in crates, they'll just put together an engine and a frame, so the numbers didn't match. And I traced this one, and apparently it was serving in Darwin. It hadn't been butchered or anything. Most of it's original, apart from the hand grips. It should have canvas hand grips, and I'm in the process of trying to get some proper canvas grips. I've just got the headlight replaced, the glass in the headlight, which is a genuine Lucas. From England. You still can get parts for them. Quite easy to get parts. It's just knowing how to put them in. That's the hard bit. Oh, it's just a different experience, totally different experience. And yeah, I get a bit of an understanding of what my father meant when he had a love for BSAs. He didn't ride bikes when he came back from the war, but he always said it was, you know, if he did, it would be a BSA. And yeah, you get a lot of waves and a lot of people, you know, I think it gives a lot of people pleasure to see something that old and from wartime that somebody's still using. So yeah, I love it, I enjoy it. I don't ride it very far because of the age. It probably would go as long as I wanted it to, but I don't particularly want to wear it out. I don't want to push it too hard. If I'm running as well as it is at that age, I'll be quite happy. So at the moment, it's just a good fun bike to ride on special occasions.